Morning everyone, my name is Aditya Ramesh and I'm from Bnmit. I'm currently studying in second year, Tripoli, and we had a 3 days experience with the Princeton Smart Engineering. And right now we had electrical designing course and we had undergone the electrical designing course, and this 3 days was really exciting. We were well informed, and with the help of Sadiq sir we learned a lot. We learned both how to do the calculations, how to perform software as well. It was really entertaining. Again, it was once in a lifetime experience that we have overcome, and this experience has taught us a lot, and it's also a stepping stone for us on how to take more workshops a lot. And it has also, as for me, as much as possible, it has made me now to take other challenges as well. It has now made me interested now on this subjects, and on how to overcome all these challenges and facing.
I am S. Aishraj. I am studying in Bnmit, third sem, Tripoli. We did 3 days electrical designing course. It was very interesting, and this made us to be nearer to the industry. There was a gap between industry and what we will study, but this gap has reduced after doing this course. We have calculated the load calculations, and we have made many other calculations related to the designing part of the industries and residential buildings, and this made me to be interested towards the subject and be focused towards the studies. And this was my first course, and it was very good, and it made me motivated to do still things better. So I thank them, and it was a very rich experience.
Good morning everyone. My name is Bhakya. I'm from Bnmit and Tripoli batch, and this is my second year, and we are here from last on Sunday. This is the third Sunday which we are attending this class, and it is very interesting, and we got a good knowledgeable trainer who could teach rather than the teachers, better than teachers. And it's like he built a bridge between these industries and the college, what we learned from there, and it was totally interesting, exciting, and it is a good experience. And this is my first course which I did, and it gave me more knowledge than what I could study in the college. For instance, smart engineers helped me a lot in gaining knowledge, and I thank all of them. Thank you mom, thank you sir. Hey everyone, I'm Bhakya from Tripoli, Bnmit college, and this is here, we have come here through Princeton Smart Engineers. They gave us a very lot of information about load calculation, setup of lights and all.
Hi everyone, I am Hashika. I am from Bnmit, Tripoli brand, and we had done many things which was apart from our syllabus, which would help us more. When we get into the core companies, or when we get into the IT companies, this would help us to study, to get live projects. We could do well in that, and this was very interesting. I have learned more.
And we had good knowledgeable trainers. They taught us a software called Relux, which is version 1920th version, and it was very interesting.
The software which we learned was very interesting. We are able to calculate the lighting. We are able to calculate how to build up a lighting setup inside our rooms, etc. And this was very interesting.